I'm so excited for today's video. And this video goes out to all of you guys that are living in South Korea, or if you live anywhere in Asia, actually anywhere in the world that's affected by air pollution. This one's for you guys. This video is gonna be a little bit different. It's not a weekly vlog, it's just a bonus video for the week. Today's video is brought to you by Smart Air. What you need to know is that Smart Air provides super affordable air purifiers. I'm talking like less than 40 USD air purifiers, and they work. So let's just start. I hope it's not just me who's done this. In the morning before work, it looks beautiful outside and you think, yeah, I'll just leave the windows open, no problem. But as the afternoon rolls in, so does the air pollution. You really regret your decision to leave the windows open, but you're at work, so what are you gonna do about it? And then you come home from that long day of work, relax on the sofa, get all cozy, and then suddenly you realize the air inside your home is just as disgusting as the air outside. Here is our pollution today. It's just slowly gotten worse all day. There are islands that you can see out there, and when the air pollution is thick like this, you can't see anything. So then I started looking for air purifiers online. $1,500, 779,000. No way. The cheapest one I can find is 254,000 won. No way I'm gonna pay that. Then I was referred to Smart Air by some other expats in one of our Facebook communities. They suggested the brand. I looked into it and I thought that it was a lie. Like, I was doing all of the exchange conversions because it's originally a company based in China. This has to be wrong. There's no way this air purifier is $35. But the more I researched it, I realized, yeah, it actually was $35. So Smart Air is a company that was started by other expats living in China, and they wanted to make clean air affordable and accessible to everyone.
So I did a little bit of research and I found out that a simple HEPA filter and a fan is really all you need to reduce the particulate pollution in your home.
Hell yeah! So then Smart Air was created. Smart Air is a social enterprise that provides free education on the harmful effects of air pollution. But in millennial terms, they're a badass company that want to create change in the industry, like a change into the high price tag of air purifiers. And they create high-value, effective air purifiers that allow everyone to breathe clean air. They do ship internationally. You can look online at their website. Shipping to Korea is still really affordable, and it is especially cheaper than buying any of the full-price $500 air purifiers at Costco. This is the DIY 1.1, and you can see it's really simple. Close-up of the fan doing its thing. I can already smell it getting cleaner. Not really. So this air purifier will work in a room that is about 15 square meters, or if you're an American like me and can't do that math, that's 161 square feet. You have to run it for 8 hours, and after that, it'll clean 92% of the PM 2.5, and it will clean 84% of PM 0.5. Run it while you're sleeping, and during the day, and all day. Never stop. Simple, effective, affordable. This is just the HEPA filter with the fan attached to it by Velcro. They definitely are way more educated on this than I am. I'm just like, clean air for everyone.
So I'm in Beijing right now. The AQI is at about 160. And what I wanted to do is just test whether the air that's coming out of this HEPA filter is indeed clean. To do that, I'm going to use this laser particle counter. Now this particle counter gives two different particle sizes. On the right here we have particles 2.5 microns and above. On the left here we have particles 0.5 microns and above. Now HEPA filters are rated to get over 99% of particles, 0.3 microns and above. So we should see these numbers get pretty close to zero. Now we can see those 2.5 micron particles are already down to zero. And those 0.5 micron particles, it was at above 10,000 before. And we should see it get down to zero. There we go. So as you can see, just a simple HEPA filter and a fan is really all you need to reduce particulate pollution. Smart
Air provides educational workshops, and they provide open and honest data you can access for free on their website. They want everyone to have access to this data so that you have the power to make the most informed decision about air pollution. They also teach you how to make your own DIY air purifier. That's all linked on their website. It's all for free. Be sure to check it out. If you don't already have an air purifier for your home, check them out, because the more people that can have a simple and affordable air purifier, the happier our lungs are gonna be. If our lungs are happy, we're happy. I think Smart Air put it best. Clean air is not a luxury. Boom. That's really good. That's catchy. Smarter is looking for anyone in Korea who's also passionate about running air pollution tests and collecting and sharing data. If that's you, if you are interested in that, be sure to contact them down below and see if you guys can work out something. Goodbye, guys.